Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. Thank you for this opportunity to be interviewed. I am Mariel Carpitinlaan, 24 years old, a single, and I am third among the 7 children of my parents. I live in Ronduno, Quezon, Nueva Vizcaya, and I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, and I successfully passed the licensure examination for teachers in 2024. I am passionate and hardworking person, and that's it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Okay, I have an experience during my high school. I had experience of doing house chores. I lived with my aunt's house. I served 5 people there, 2 adults and 3 children. I do the house chores such as laundry, washing dishes, and everything that they want me to do. And after that, after high school, I realized that I need to go to college, and I stopped living with them. And I successfully graduated bachelor's degree, and I am a licensed professional teacher. After stopping college, I had a tutor wherein I taught kids ranges 8 to 12 years old in different subjects. That's where my passion keeps burning. That's when I realized that I want to pursue my profession. I want to teach young minds, and now I am currently an employee of government at DepEd Nueva Vizcaya, and I am very much willing to do more. That's it. Thank you.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will take care of the children, especially when they are sick, by knowing the symptoms, checking their temperature, and of course, I really need to contact their parents for them to become aware of it.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
Okay, I would describe myself as funny and happily to be with. I am very passionate about everything. I am very easy to be with, and I do everything with love. That's why in every work I did a good job.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to sustain my siblings' studies, and of course to give back to my parents. And of course, I am an open-minded person. I want to know more about the culture of other countries, and I want to showcase the skills and knowledge that I have.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
If I will be getting homesick, I will remind myself that I need to be calm in every situation. I need to remind myself that this is very important for me and for my family, and of course for my future. And we are in a modern world. That's why I can contact still my family using online.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 o'clock p.m. after doing all my house chores and everything, and I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Yeah, kids are very naughty sometimes. That's why I need to become patient enough, and based on my experience during tutoring class, I need to remind myself that I need to be calm because I need it.
Okay.
That's it.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by employer?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am very much willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, and a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, moo there. That's it, sir.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise that I will do my very best, and of course, I am very much willing to learn about everything, and I know that I am fit for that job role. Thank you.
Okay.